Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In this simple video I'm gonna show you how to editing pictures with adding music. For example, I already have one project with one picture here, and to edit the background, to edit the picture, you are just going to select filters, or you can select adjust. Okay, select filters. So you can adjust for the brightness, you can adjust for the contrast, saturation, exposure, and etc. And for example, select brightness, tick mark, and then you can adjust for the effect. You can add the effect, body effect. Just select the effect that you want to add. Right, for example, check mark, and then you can select audio to add the music. So select audio and select sound. You can add the music from TikTok, you can add from your files, you can extract from the video, you can add the music available here. For example, just click add and music has been added to your project. Alright, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.